In this video, we'll teach you how to make a ringtone for your iPhone. Go to this page, audico.net. Click on the blue button. Look for the song on your computer. Select it. Wait for it to finish loading. This process will take a few minutes. At the end, we'll get a rod with music. Select the part of the song you wanted, using the blue rectangle to select it. You can only select 30 seconds of the song. If you already have your shoes, click the blue button and make your ringtone. At the end, edit the name and click on Edit. And the ringtone will be created. In the right, have the options to download. Click and download it. Now, create a folder named Ringtone. Put inside the ringtone, open the folder, and go to iTunes. You take it and put it in music. And iTunes says it detected and appeared a blue box. You drop it and automatically iTunes create an area where you can list it and the ringtone and delete them. Now connect your phone and sync, and you can have your free ringtone. Thank you.